Investigations are going on into the death of a family of 4 Indian nationals, including an infant, along the US-Canada border, and into a larger human smuggling operation as 7 other Indians believed to be from Gujarat and illegally present in the US have been arrested. A criminal complaint has been filed on Thursday in the US District Court for the District of Minnesota against the 47-year-old US citizen Steve Shand, who has been charged with human smuggling. Shand, a suspected smuggler of undocumented foreign nationals, was arrested near the US-Canadian border on January 19th for transporting 2 Indian nationals who were illegally present in the US. The 2 Indian nationals have been identified as SP and YP in the complaint.